All right, thank you so much for having me. Hello, everybody. For those that don't know, my name is Dominic Alegrete. I'm 21 years old and I'm a SOC analyst. And like they said, I'll be discussing just my overall journey into cybersecurity and the lessons that I've learned throughout my entire time being in the industry. And I just hope that today I can be of inspiration to you all, especially those that are younger, and show you that age doesn't matter in this industry and that any path can work as long as you put in the time and the effort. So, as far as in the beginning on how it began, like I said before, my path has been very untraditional to say the least. I don't have a college degree, and I actually started my senior year of high school when I was 17 years old. During that time, I was able to participate in the cybersecurity internship program, and that's what gave me my first taste of what cybersecurity really was. That program specialized in more so the defensive side of cybersecurity. So think of threat intelligence, threat analysis, incident response, and other things related to that. And I enjoyed the internship a lot because it was very hands on. We got to work with different tools, and it just exposed me to the day to day on what cybersecurity is about. And from there, I actually was able to become a lead intern within that program. So I'm 18 years old, managing people twice my age while still balancing high school and trying to be a senior. And I could definitely say those leadership skills and being thrown into the fire early has prepared me so much and is one of the leading catalysts for why I'm here today.